Abusua memo kwa baroba otumfoba TV Plus. Me show ba so abomode ase obe subscribe, like, comment, and sa share mami. Na abusua na nsen be 3 months 1 month munie my majority leader ne minority leader nsen me koso Parliament House no. Abusua endra da omukopie mu wo Supreme Court na omukopie mu no Supreme Court judges no pass judge and also ma pass judgment. Na ma kan say ma pass judgment ya ko. Ama NPP amanyoko no omo na sisi omo ye majority leaders ewo mashebe na majority leader ba ko Afenyo Markins na ensem we ba abonten no Hopson Adorye so de ne de ababebom and wakika nsem bebre e afa Afenyo Markins so abusua me so enko na hwe video ni bi bra e ba e beto so
Parliament. If he leaves the party of which he was a member, he was. Underline word was. One can say he is a member. He was a member.
Okay.
At the moment, I will say, me were MPP, me call independent. You know, MPP constitution say that moment now can ye na no. Who you member of MPP?
Who you member of you?
So on you see, Ghana has a one.
Yes.
Sir President Yoman as a gentleman, Baba behete MPP back.
Oh, really?
And they will cry.
How?
What dear, Yedina Yan Toronto. That time, no more opposition. The hate or more, or Mubisu, mama.
And they will be from
your party constitution, are clear?
Yes.
Ne Manko Dwene Alampo, the time I ye medino. Na me Dwene no.
Oh, okay.
Let me say I sympathize with him, but I'm still MPP member. The video is there.
Oh, really? What declare intention, po?
David Kenny said, well, you're a good man. I sympathize with him. But I'm still an MPP member. One radio TV station been interview me. The video is there.
I see.
Sir, my imagine say me sympathize with him kekeno.
And no cry enough.
Yeah, true. I made that interview on the 8th. Let me to US. Okay. 8th November.
Okay.
8th November 2023. 20th November. My birthday. And he issue statement. He said, yeah, they are permanent free party.
Wow.
Me declare say me sympathize with someone, and I say I believe in him, and I say bibisa no keke no.
And no kwa. Yeah, justification say you ready.
Obi ako say there or no ankasa contest against your candidate. What we say? Me ko support Obi independent, and I say different party against your candidate. Ma forfeit me membership. Say nipa nankasa kwa kujina woni wo candidate you know kwa kofi so. We say won't ase wa Supreme Court say they are still members. They say MPP constitution is now useless.
But I end this in the MPP now. Constitution says Srnt.
Na say NDC for no ka say omo je omo member no back. Omo de omo jina so say omo member no omo wa free.
But NDC almost wait me over Korea some metro letter crat at send which will be man. I catch more candidates Peter Kwachiaka say yeah you ready because of stance now we're taking it. But almost when
that's it need I didn't come has it clear.
Yeah, constitution naka.
Constitution is clear.
But we are trying
Anna some me na me MP.
So constitution is clear.
Constitution is clear.
Yes.
Me say time omo yes I don't know lawyer be friend me say Hopson. But me for omo to be when you and I'm say I don't need it.
Oh, I see.
Oh yeah, make a say I don't need it. So the mere fact of much running okay. Now I have my SDT me to come baby. Me to come baby. So who that you know? That is the way I share to hono. Look, a serious issue here can was a serious issue. Now, 4 years back, you same party, you were jubilating say we'll be independent, ya pamono. Look at the way I can't say. Yeah, speaker.
Yes.
Michael Kofi.
Okay.
Just said we're walking out.
Yeah, sure.
What can say you are vacating the post into home free? Or new big kasa. Look at the way I was chanting and hold that day. I was sad.
I see.
Why should we treat this man like this? say why ye na say wo yi na free okra after all eyabusia odo nim say ba be yi na free ho what the parliament now kan na oni obi kasa wo tiatia no just like that time it was good for them because
they had
no more overwhelming majority in parliament and them for ana nipa no koye mo am protest you ana ene the same thing happen na me nua no so wa suffer last 4 years was suffer
the prayer
after we free independent say or contest on the ticket of MPP constitution is a was
yes
eti wakono say wonye independent bi mu
that be onye independent bi
say wonye MPP member so constitution no say wa vacate o seat
surprisingly me ntwa no okọ for na sisi a omo huri di ejina esia machi na during the time of independence ni na no omo forfeit omo position party ni pamo time esia ma wini wie ye no omo ano mu di na chi ni na no me no kasa ba ko na ye constituency chairman sisi a ready man the NPP no ye constituency chairman sisi ona na campaign manager ready man esia ma sisi ona ye constituency chairman sisi a
so it is a good for the call say want to be in adwuma
it may be say one simple question say at the time no more year campaign no more year primaries no na be say nti for me na a orphan constituency and I say orphan constituency and nobody could answer that question and then na apem so ade be bedru be ye dua say ye ka ho asem
enti ne MPP aye no e so sad say well na ayama nkrofo asemo a omo ka no say ye park Supreme Court politically no na ye no kure ko jase na ye no kure LGBTQ asem na call Supreme Court no eti can't they find time like they did with this you know what ntimi nye na just yet na what that kingdom come what you better for the chief justice at time for that so that but wait there you bet imagine no within seconds and my judgment look separation of powers
sure
that being what the duties the duty and say basse akonya vacant or no and communicated to UC
okay
see enquire by election
sure
constitution is say 3 months to elections ultimately by elections. It is will be vacating the post a better horse say the next elections. So when you know, Anna Adia Bani had drawn attention. The constitution is clear. Roughly, way Obi Oduma was you know, and so you hear legal interpretation of was.
Yeah, the shark because the shark was Supreme Court. I mean interpretation. It was the
but you see, this one is not talking about future. Yekem is a we MPP in our call independent. Welcome, you are no more MPP. Welcome was and then walk and wasn't. We are independent. And we are and we are independent. Says we are party member. And no na constitution we can wasn't.
I see.
And it's the duty of the speaker to announce it or tell the can say it in the floor of the house. Say Sangrofo we or more advocate or post and to a new kinds of day or move constitution here clear. Me who yentia look no more can me I'm not by any way say Master Dilo and I say no more can about Article 99 say High Court never determine who is validly elected. Yes. And a problem about we say my B2 we see what the document. Yeah, they are court. Court to show munu tie adanse ne ne kika munyina. Court to no never bet say ni pass message per the records or no and they are elected as MP. I don't know you clear. And you different from 97G now. Who go join another party wa vacate you post One we say on jurisdiction some of the you know go 5-2.
Sure.
5-2 no it should tell you say sa 2 no more cast or more absent on the jurisdiction you should know say near air cost no na nye pan papa so because anything to determine about the status of the MP, no, they should go to the High Court.
Yeah, sure.
Then and the Jampo High Court and a straight to Supreme Court. Say I just your interpretation is different.
Yeah.
That would be I won't say walk back or stay of execution. Now what's up? No, I mean, me too know me just here. Me make say MPP and Kasano, or more constitution, or more render no useless. It's no more effect is Ubiaka said, look. MPP for betima kwa kujina bonjini say yes support you Bahama ultimate suspend you omo because at the train 9 now the best suspend you omo no and now the boss and go for we hu ban so on here it is obi ko kujina bonjini wo kasa how can you suspend them? It means say the constitution no are you useless ye fa je fi bibia wo constitution mu bia no party member bia pa wonni so wo je say obeye the opposite side ultimate je who
about the party ne constitution has started to form
that's what must start you omo dey twitri form
I see
omo dey twitri form na wo shase ana wo kan me ohinin to ya abo bia samu Boniface mo say ya declare supporter ma obi a wo ko that time brother mo nya elect mo candidate
yeah
e ko no na lawyer na e ka no was it sponsored a candidate sponsored by the party nana munyan sponsor will be no mu here primaries so that time na nkasa no mu yes ade no bra no obuti here President Akufo-Addo we lawyer unkofo nyina ye lawyer general secretary ye lawyer the ye Ghanacelebrities ye lawyer mo akwakwotena se na mo ajesade we because of a nibre ahoya adomde yes ade no ene mo sa ba bebu aka munzim me se nyankopɔ be koso atua MPP ka day in day out na me se sa de we o maye ebe hete wo mo na Supreme Court decision we it is going to be something a chiremba gina ba beka do omo tra panel so omo ye no sa no o chiremba beka omo ho asem
I see you see sisi ameno ka say there are Supreme Court judges are ya nominate you I said Parliament, you're vetting. A kahubi, and see a majority for some person back to Brashibijum, no more those vetting to make sure.
Vetting. So, because technically, Parliament approves you. I am telling you this.
Oh, yes, I mean,
because, and this is a cotton as MPP, or one to me, and
your business.
Yeah. Now, MPP maintenance, and this is Oma. Over business.
Oh, say yeah, Trey.
Until say better Abanevian, I am telling you this today. Parliament approves you.
The last but one timer, no Motnasino. Now come back for 15 days. That was I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yes. Now come back 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's technically so Moko Parliament 4 days are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Or Moko that said 2 weeks a trim. 2 weeks no technically 10 days. Yeah, for 10 days or little about 8 days or technically around 10 days. Tuesday. Okay, for 8 days. It's naka 7 days. 7 days no. This week This week Enra so na commitment na ka Enra metnase ene o month na since 2 days abeka ho. I can't 10 days, I can't 5 days. The 5 days, no time, no Babe Free Parliament, no matter I review most of these cases. And some of
me say, Parliament approach Agu until 7th January. No, like your business is naka. You see, at times you apply common sense. Though the nation is not ruled by common sense, but you need to apply the common sense.
Yeah.
So, so it is our common minority for just one man and so what? And so what? Now we man will business. You have my papa be a person who you na astaki. Why?
After your mark is a spiritually a bad omen. So we quite na minority side.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. From 7 January no or better now. From 7 January. Look. I can tell you for a fact. MPP Sisa or Mulusu Bebre. Meching
I see.
Megusu Chin
okay.
Omo Lusubi. Independent 3 Alpha MPP seat free.
Sir?
Including Zoom.
Go Srnt.
Obefa city no straight. Tornado to do.
Oh.
No, but because I mean,
what is tornado to do?
The MPP candidate. I mean, if you go on the ground,
share. Oko Gomwa Central. A plus wafa.
A plus a first is no
wafa. Ya jantu abadobra wafa.
Sir.
Oko grandson of Charles OWUSU wafa.
Really?
Me na make a joke. Share. Oko Central. Some cities be on they are going to lose. Central region, they are going to lose more.
Oh.
Yeah, for real.
They are going to lose more. 2020, one more presidential move for 2 months.
Yeah.
Parliamentary move for 2 months. And I tell you this time, presidential and more, parliamentary must lose more. I can. Eti one more back minority no. But no, yeah, can't create open team, open translate matter. You are going to occupy the minority in parliament from January 7th.
So why not practice it now?
So the general, anybody I got the now look in Brazil. Look, this year's election, it is going to be an election of surprise.
Oh, that.
Definitely.
I'm not for you, dear. Look, maybe I make a message and yet Alancha Martin will raise him one. I don't mama beat TMPP more than 3 million votes.
Really?
Me na make a joke. But Muti here, this is Allah woman.
It's Allah woman, no difference when they make.
Yeah, bet about the first round will be in Hobenya straight win.
Oh, really?
John Mahama Bedika, but we'll on cross to 50.
Only 50%.
Anchamati beto suminu. Beto sumiensa.
Anchamati
make a percentage, but beto suminu.
So it means it's a.
I said, I make a change now, Alan and John Mahama will go
for runoff.
For the runoff. The honor. Anna, you mean because okay. Said John, they know a 4th John of the country. And the 5th John, I like your matter. Your famano.
Your family here. Which of the
get him mad the 5th John. I like your matter. First president of the 4th Republic, John Jerry Rawlings.
Yes.
Second president, John Ajekunkufo.
Yeah.
Third president, John Ivan Satanos.
Yeah.
4th president, John Dramani Mahama.
Yes.
William Akufo-Addo. And I don't need a trisu ne you. And he says, no. Yeah, Baba pet the 5th John.
That's how William. No, yeah, one other William the buy.
Oh, I say yeah, so they. Let's say 4th Republic. Jankopo de Mahama for so mungu.
I see.
And unless you don't for me, no woman who back here 4th John, the 5th John.
Wishes are always, dreams are free.
What's that form?
Dreams are free.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because, I mean, this election is Ghanaians against MPP.
Ghanaians against MPP.
That's right.
It's Ghanaians against
MPP. I agree with you.
Master, it's Ghanaians against MPP. It's not NDC MPP.
Yeah.
Or Afafranto
against NDC
MPP, MPC. No. It's Ghanaians against MPP. Because so wankasa sometimes na mafi o mampeyim kufo kakra. O say wa hwe wa ba bom. Hwe wa sitrem na to aba. But there sisia no asetrem na ngbedu awedu no it's something else. You see, unless the person on maybe you are not a business person. But master, if you are a business person, just imagine only a year ago, Mukoto, maybe animal feed, maybe I imported them. It was only 25,000 per 5,000 per metric ton. $5,000 per a metric ton of feed. So I mean, me chicken another in a mutono local currency. Yeah. So the $5,000 was about how much times 13, 14. You know, then 1 year down the line.
Hey, but last year dollar no go fast power.
Yeah, me say 1 year down the line, the dollar is now 17.2. So it is if I am to change the same 5,000 today, Master Pocho, your math, mama.
5,000 times 17.
Yeah.
85,000.
85,000. In the first one, no,
yeah, 13.
No, 13. Yeah.
13. 65,000.
Yes. Into right now, no,
20,000 difference.
I mean, I might make 100 neighbor.
But the price of the same
chicken is the same.
The same.
Anna, what you want to tell me? What you call a chilcra 2016?
Yeah.
The infant is up at $10,000. We hear Ghana is going to take 400 million.
Yeah, 400 million.
And 8 years. And we hear
1.7 billion. I mean, it's
but even party I ever got. It's business for okay. Wait a minute, wow. Okay. NDC or move base. I hear the street boys.
Yeah.
MPP base. I hear business community.
Yeah, business community. Yeah.
Eti Obia now we hear 400 million and we hear 1.7 billion. And you think you are going to win?
But Moko Ashanti region, Moko share magazine for Eba Pro within the Ashanti enclave. Especially the business.
What they nyabotre? Remember, Kawase said Allah is going to block 40% of Ashanti vote. Now, Captain challenge me. What they nyabotre? I got 24 days pay.
I got 24 days.
Yeah, now Allah just say, "What by almost 16 days be more Ashanti region." Ebosiaga.
Yeah. Ashanti region more on the shift. Na pokwa na ba obi a.
Oh, yeah.
Na obi afi on man na na.
Me say o ma for mo hadwene deda. Obi a wo Ghana ha bia no enim ne eko.
Yeah.
First na utimi kokko share kura bi ase. Oh we, o ya chacha mento abama no. No waje adi. Ene wo kan obeka jeje obo because of phone make it aye. Obi enim ne eko.
Ya ti dada.
Obi enim ne eko. Ejem bibi de. Wo mo no resi no mo kan wo. Resi no ye bitua lantemante and do mahama.
I see. Dr. Bobia.
December 7th.
Abusua when is him here Hopson Adorye and Hopson Adorye and so edeni de beboom. Na abusua uti nsem bi ekoso a otimu se enyema wo hopa. Iso oba so obomode ase oba subscribe like comment na sa share akara sana be se share.